Hey team, JT Accessible here. Today we're going to talk about the check reading order table tip in Word for Windows 2016 Accessibility Checker. Tip: check reading order. Table. Rule: layout tables are structured for easy navigation. Checker verifies the layout order is logical for the language, and the tab order is not circular. Why fix? Users rely on the table layout to navigate through the content. It must be ordered logically for users to understand and navigate the content. In the example, the tip for check reading order appears because a table style needs to be selected. That's a soup sandwich. Correcting check reading order. Table. Go to Design in the Table Tools tab and choose a table style. This will clear the tip, but new errors such as no alternate text or header row will appear. Correct them as specified previously.